Why you have your stuff in my room? And your dog in my room.
Second season, SpongeBob second season, SpongeBob second season. On DVD season, complete second season.
Could not make her talk. And I was like, oh no! And I got all texts and you know, mad because I'm deaf. Oh, got into my armpit.
Ready? SpongeBob second season, SpongeBob second season, SpongeBob second season, SpongeBob second season. You see?
What are we doing now? I'm sorry, I was looking through your stuff.
So she has some glasses, a comb. Actually, she has 2 brushes, 3 brushes. How self-absorbent is this girl about her hair? Answer me.
Miku! It's Miku! Mookie! Just like Taylor Lautner. Taylor Lautner.
Hello. Honestly, I am in Abby's bathroom. I sneaked in, so let's not tell her. That. See what she has in this crap of a room. Oh, a purse. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Well, this has been another story. Another story. She's in. This is a very long commercial. Can't you just wait until we buy that? We're totally buying that.